What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and today we've got a video on this guy. This is just going to be an unboxing and first impression and how it sounds and stuff like that. So this is a new product from Jaybird. Logitech now owns Jaybird, interestingly enough. So it's got 6 hours of playtime and a 10-hour charge case. It is sweat and waterproof, so you can use these while you're exercising, going for a run. You can use just one earbud for single earbud mode. And sport fit. And then some more information. So a fast charge. So 5 minutes equals 1 hour of playtime. That's very cool. So let's open it up. We've got the little case, and they're already in there. It's already got a little bit of a charge. Oh, and it uses Type-C. It uses Type-C to charge. That's so awesome. And then in here we've got some additional stuff. We've got some extra sizes for people with different size ears. So it comes with some smaller ones by default. Instruction guide, and nothing else. And a nice little cable to charge it up. Just connect that and plug that into your computer at work, your battery bank, or a wall outlet, or anything you'd like. And a nice little thing to put it on something too. So let's go ahead and try these out. Oh, okay. So actually you could download a Jaybird app and install it to get more customized settings. So you can press it once, press it twice, or do a long press. Press and hold the button until the LED turns on. Go into your phone's Bluetooth menu, select Jaybird, download the app for guided setup and fitting. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hold that button down like it says to do in the instructions. And now it's flashing. Downloading the Jaybird app. These are the Vista, Parrot, and they have a firmware update, so interesting. So what I did was I closed out the app, I turned it back on, I went to the Bluetooth settings and connected to it manually, I closed out the app, relaunched it, and now it's showing it. I waited several minutes and never went from that rebooting screen. It was just stuck there and it wasn't going anywhere. I gave it several minutes and it just didn't do anything, so I forced it to reboot. But in here we can do all the different volume controls for the single press. We can do a single press to take us to Google Assistant or custom. Double press takes us to next. Press and hold is power off. You can find your buds. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we'll go ahead and test these out now. So this is the wrap up of this video. These are the Jaybird headphones, and I love that they charge via Type-C. They charge pretty quickly, and they last for a while. And I have no complaints with these, except for the fact that I am not a huge fan of these types that go right in my ear. I really like the old Samsung or like the iPod wireless earphones, the old ones, not the pros, where they just hang from your ear. I like the classic Sony like earbuds. Like the classic ones from back in the day, from the, 2000s. So I'm not a huge fan because like these feel like, if you got any earwax or anything in your ears, you're like, people around you, you have these in your ear and you're trying to talk and it sounds like you could like hear your jaw, hear your bones. And so it's not really fair for me to review these properly, but they sound really good. The bass sounds awesome. I mean, besides the fact that these are not my style, and my wife loves these. She's been using these for a few weeks now, and she absolutely loves them and uses them on a daily basis. So she likes the style. I cannot stand this style. I would love to see something like this where they are like the old Samsung earbuds. They're like the Apple AirPods, the first and second generation ones, and they don't you don't have to shove them in your ear canal. Anyways, I'm so sorry. I feel terrible. These sound great. They charge quickly. The case is so small and tiny, and it charges via Type-C, which is the same connector my Pixel and all my other phones except for this one use. So that's tons of these available everywhere. My chargers, like from Anchor, have Type-C, so I could charge these with that. I mean, it's awesome. You can use one of these at a time. You don't have to use both. If you're someone that doesn't mind this type of earplugs that like go right in your ear, then these are gonna be for you. But if you're like me, these ain't it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm sorry, I don't know if I'll be reviewing earbuds again until I find a pair that I want to use every day. My wife loves them. I don't. That's all I really gotta say about it. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.